The Kenya Union of Clinical Officers, KUCO, has intensified its criticism of Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja's administration, accusing it of overseeing a significant decline in the country's healthcare system. In a strong rebuke, the union claims the governor has deliberately ignored recommendation issued by the Public Service Commission (PSC) in May 2024, particularly concerning the crucial implementation of career progression guidelines for clinical officers. In protest of what they described as a deteriorating healthcare environment and unaddressed grievances, KUCO has announced plans for demonstration across Nairobi this Wednesday, July 16. During this protest, the union intends to present a public petition demanding immediate action from the county government. KUCO highlights that the Public Service Commission's recommendation from May 2024 were intended to provide a clear framework for the recruitment, promotion, redesignation, and retention of clinical officers.
Many facilities around Nairobi have not been working, and even those that have been working have not been working optimally. But what is more concerning is the carefree nature with which the county government of Nairobi has been handling these issues. For almost 3 months now, we have not seen the governor try to address these issues.
Our members have stagnated at the same job group for the longest, and now we have a new policy document that dictates our employment from internship to retirement that the county government promises to implement but does nothing in regards to its implementation. We have had several meetings that are not fruitful.
Tumeandaa maandamano ambayo tutakuja ili kuendelea kufanya ile public petition. Na pia mjue si governor peke yake kwa majukumu haya. Nairobi ina viongozi wengi. Tunataka kuwaona pia hata senator wa Nairobi akizungumzia masuala haya kwa sababu pia yeye ako hapa kuhakikisha kwamba governor anatekeleza majukumu yake. Women rep, tunataka kuwaona wakizungumzia masuala haya.
Stakeholders in the alcohol industry have vehemently criticized a new set of measures proposed by the National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse, NACADA, labeling them as unnecessary, legal, questionable, and potentially damaging to a sector still grappling with economic recovery. Speaking during a press briefing in Nairobi, Michael Muthami, chairperson of the Pubs, Entertainment and Restaurants Association of Kenya, PERAK, along with representatives from Pubs and Restaurant Vigilance and Risk Safety Kenya, asserted that NACADA's proposed regulations lack a clear legal and executive foundation. They also warned against unilateral action by the anti-drug agencies.
Taking alcohol early, at the age of 18 maybe, it impedes brain development. It can cause a higher risk of addiction. It can create risk-taking behavior amongst the youth. Of course, if they're in school, it will impact their academic endeavors. When we were doing that survey at the university, most of the students who participated said online sales are the second leading source of their alcohol and other substances. So the implementation won't be instant. I think in some cases we'll have to do some legislative amendments. It touches very many sectors. The sectors have to be brought to the table through a public participation process so that we amend the attendant legislations to accommodate the intention.
The government has pledged to enhance the country's mining sector by supporting small-scale and artisanal miners to generate more economic benefit in the mining industry. These announcements was made during the Nyanza Gold Summit held in Migori town, where policymakers, government officials, miners, and investors came together to discuss better ways to manage and grow the gold mining industry. Speaking during the event, Principal Secretary, State Department of Mining, Harry Kimtai, said that Nyanza region holds significant mineral potential and needs structured support to benefit fully from its resources.
Counties, we've seen investors like Chacha Gold, they have come to prospect for gold in Kisumu, Siaya, and part of Kakamega and Vihiga. So I think it shows that there are prospects in gold in this region. Migori is known also for gold because it's not the first time that mining of gold is going on in Migori. It started all the way from the colonial times, and people are still going on. One of the key issues that we agreed with the Migori Additional Miners Committee is that we need them to form cooperatives. And they have so far formed 27 cooperatives. We are going to pursue this. We have come also with NEMA to ensure that they are compliant in terms of the National Environmental Management Act, so that we are able to issue them license. We've also agreed that they form a joint implementation committee that will include members of the cooperative societies and the State Department for Mining, so that we are able to sensitize the community on issues related to licensing and the issues of compliance. So we are happy that this conference is part of the engagement with the stakeholders and the community here. The other issue that we've come to look at is the issue of environmental degradation and pollution of our rivers through mining activities.
No way we can have mineral storage in our area here, and the people are benefiting are not our people. And there is no way we can also house these people here, and the reward we are getting are chemicals in our rivers. That one we are not going to accept as political class. We want these minerals to change the lives of our people and be done in a safe environment where our people are protected. That one is our stand and has been supported by the government, which I can tell our people here today that the business is not going to be as usual as it used to be.